be first to the bird bath today. It's very still. What can you hear?
Bob, 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 Bob Robin. Bob, Bob, bobbing along. Whee!
It's Bob Robin.
Bob, 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 Bob Robin, singing a thirsty song.
Thirsty, Bob?
Hello, Herbert. I certainly am. There's not enough wind to ruffle a wren's feather.
It is very still. My pond is like a mirror.
What has Bob seen?
Wow, another robin. I must tell Jackie.
Jackie is with Mo Sparrow at the bird feeder.
Jackie! Jackie!
That's Bob Robin.
Keep your feathers on, Bob. What's up?
Has someone stolen the bird bath?
Fresh nuts. Oh.
So you've just come for a feed then?
No, no, no. There's a new robin at the bird bath.
A new robin?
Looks just like me too.
This I must see.
Mo left Bob and Jackie eating the nuts while she went to find the new robin.
Cooey, Mr. Robin. Where are you? Cooey! Might as well have a drink now I'm here. Knock me over with a feather. It's a sparrow, not a robin. I'm going to tell Bob and Jackie.
So I said to Guy Magpie,
Jackie! Bob! There's another sparrow!
As well as another robin?
No sign of a robin. Are you sure you didn't see a sparrow?
No, definitely a robin.
Definitely a sparrow.
Robin!
Sparrow!
Robin!
Sparrow!
I'll go and look. Wait here.
Jackie went to see for herself. Is it a sparrow or a robin?
I can't see a robin or a sparrow. Still, now I'm here.
Jackie found herself beak to beak with another blackbird.
Well, I'll be baked in a pie. You're not a sparrow or a robin. You're a blackbird.
Jackie flew off to tell Bob and Mo.
I'm full.
Me too.
Mo, Bob, guess what?
What?
It's not a robin and it's not a sparrow. It's a blackbird.
A blackbird?
Fi-da-diddle-o-da-diddle-o-dee. He's got the same wings and pointy beak as me. I saw someone just like me in the mirror, and saw him again when the water was still in the river. And I never heard him speak, but he's got the same wings and pointy beak as me. Fi-da-diddle-o-da-diddle-o-dee. He's got the same wings and pointy beak as me. Fi-da-diddle-o-da-diddle-o-dee. He's got the same wings and pointy beak as me. I've seen him on a shiny balloon. I've seen him on a silver spoon. I saw him in the bottom of a water well. I hope he didn't fall in it. It was hard to tell. Fi-diddle-o-da-diddle-o-dee. He's got the same wings and pointy beak as me. Fi-da-diddle-o-da-diddle-o-dee. He's got the same wings and pointy beak as me.
Jackie, Mo and Bob went together to meet the new blackbird. Or was it a sparrow? Maybe a robin.
Told you, a blackbird.
Told you, a sparrow.
I was right all the time. It's a robin.
And a blackbird.
And a sparrow.
I'm going to tell Herbert.
Herbert Heron was fishing when Bob arrived.
Herbert! Herbert! Come quick!
Do be quiet, Bob. I'm trying to catch my supper.
There are 3 new birds at the bird bath.
Really? There's one old bird here who's rather peckish.
2?
I beg your pardon?
2 old birds. Look,
Ha 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 ha!
what's so funny?
That's not another old bird. That's me.
You? But you're you.
And that's me too. It's my reflection.
Reflection?
Watch. Gong.
I'm not surprised. You pecked him.
Watch the water. When the water is still on a bright sunny day, you can see yourself in it. It's called a reflection.
Wow. Thanks, Herbert. I'll tell the others.
This new blackbird won't talk to me. Talk to the robin, Bob.
They've gone.
You've scared them off, Bob.
Just watch.
Bob, Mo and Jackie stared at the water, and as the water settled, the 3 birds reappeared.
They're back.
They've gone again.
They're not new birds. They're you 2. When the water is still, look, you can see yourself in it.
Is that me? It is me.
It's called your reflection. Herbert told me.
Bob, Mo and Jackie joined their reflections in the bird bath. I wonder what will happen next time at the bird bath.
Goodbye, and what fun there's been. See you the very next time at the bird bath.
Mama, mama, me, moment.